Quick Trip gift card here for you. Your trophy. And on behalf of Annie, that was an impressive
Van Kitty out of Waverly. Brian Buckholz in the driver's seat. 22:55 Oliver. Sounds good. Still playing for the answer. All day today. It's show. The Remedy laying down a great pass. Pretty well balanced. Working the steering wheel. Now that's a pass to be proud of. And Jason has a distance of 3:37 and 8, so see how we get along. Make it. Check out the broadcast for the 50th anniversary. Place right there, and that's the boy Dodge. Fans in the boat. Booger Wisconsin. Favorite son. Here he comes. We've seen down the track. The 60-30 was a power class. Mike Kicker coming out to the funny shot. John Deere. Well, Team 66, the bull-headed finder. Limited Pro Stock. That is Brian Dick out of Inside, Nebraska. Give a big hand to show our appreciation for his efforts here at Doma.